Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your 1099 forms with IRS Free File, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your 1099 forms using IRS Free File, start by visiting the IRS website. Locate the Free File section on the home page. Select a free file provider that suits your needs. Click on the chosen provider's link to access their platform. Follow the prompts to begin your tax preparation process. Create an account if you do not have one. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, choose the option to file your taxes. Enter your personal information as required. When prompted, select the option to import 1099 forms. Have your 1099 forms on hand, either printed or in digital format. Follow the instructions to upload your 1099 forms. Verify that the information has been imported correctly. Review all entered details for accuracy. Complete any additional sections of your tax return. Once everything is in order, proceed to the filing stage. Choose to electronically file your tax return. Follow any additional prompts until you receive confirmation. Save or print your confirmation for your records. Return to the Free File portal for future reference if necessary. Your 1099 forms are now backed up securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.